Welcome into the CueCast. My name is Rob Helt. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about a tool that I don't know if you know it's there. I always say that on the CueCast, but this tool is so handy and I don't know that people use it. If you have an exhibit that comes in and it's portrait but needs to be landscape, that is the way that every one of these 17 pages are. As you can see right here, it was the way it was given to me, way I got it. Right click on the parent of the exhibit. These are the children right here. Right click on the parent. Go down to document cleanup and let's rotate clockwise. Watch this. Done. The entire set is done that fast. Now everything's rotated. It's saved that way. You don't have to worry about it. Matter of fact, if you have something like this and you want to just rotate it, you can use your hotkey, which is the bracket key. This would be the right bracket key, which sits 2 to the right of your P key on your computer, hopefully. Hit that bracket key, that'll rotate it. When I leave this one and I come back, it stays that way. It's going to stay how you rotated it. But if you need to rotate in bulk, right click, go to the document cleanup and do it. You can also reset the rotation back to what it originally was. Watch, there. Now everything is back. We can rotate counterclockwise, we can rotate clockwise using this tool. And if you didn't know about it, you absolutely should. Hope these lessons are helping you. If they are, please like and subscribe. Please tell friends. Please tell your colleagues. Please say, hey, they've got some free training going on over on YouTube. They're giving us little tips and tricks, and they are certainly helping. Thank you all very much.